Oh, she's seen some digger action. Evening spins are back. Got off work on time. And look at what we're getting to do. Hello, summer. Even though it's still soaking wet, constantly raining, still cold, it's brighter. Oh my god, I haven't been here in so long. State of the place. I love this bike. I didn't get out on it last week. I just love this thing. Yeah, I didn't get out on it last week. Pulled a muscle in my shoulder. I was going around like RoboCop. Couldn't move. 4 sessions with the physio later, and I've got all the all clear. It's really annoying though, because last weekend was the assessment to get a race license, and I was really looking forward to it, and naturally I missed it. So I'm gonna have to do that another time, and I have no idea when they'll be doing it. But yeah, all's good. Injury is feeling much better. I actually had the 4th session this morning. So yeah, we're going into a long weekend, and there should be lots of opportunity to ride. I have the Tenere booked with Steve and NDM, so I'll be doing that tomorrow. And I cannot wait to have that bike running well again. Anyway, to try to summarize the issue, I got the suspension Christmas 2022, and going into 2023 I always felt like there was a problem with it. It was way too stiff. So there was a bit of back and forth, and then they claimed they sent me the wrong springs to begin with, that the springs I was sent are only for the longer travel cartridge, and I should have had a 370mm spring. I had a 390. So I had the 370 fitted, even though my local mechanic, that's Merv, who installed it, was like, there's something wrong here, the spring doesn't seem right. And I went back to off the road a few times, and I actually went to Tractive directly at that point too, but all Tractive would do would CC off the road into my emails and tell them to deal with it. So anyway, off the road said no, it's correct. So this time around, when I was most recently out on the Tenere, I've only used the Tenere a handful of times, and that's going in and out of work. I haven't used it off road. But the last day I was out, I was like, no, there's 100% something wrong with it, especially now that I have this bike to compare it to. There's 100% something wrong with the suspension. So I got onto Tractive again, but I actually used a different email address and I didn't tell them where I got it, and they confirmed, no, you're meant to have the 390mm spring. So as you can imagine, I am so pissed off at Off the Road. So anyway, I ordered the 390mm spring again, but I've just gone for a lighter spring rate. I went for the 5.6 Newton millimeter as opposed to the 6 Newton millimeter I had originally. So I've got those springs. I've got a new rear spring for the shock, and I'm going to get Steve to fit it all and set up the suspension perfectly for my weight and stuff. So that should be class. Really looking forward to that. But yeah, enough of me blabbering. Let's get back to the video. A nice little hill climb here. I love this bike. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's literally the most fun I've ever had. It really, really is. Just coming up that last section, not that hill, the last sort of mucky section. Just bunny hopping over things and stuff. It just makes it so easy. It's an absolute joy to ride this bike. Oh, the midgies. Seems very early for midgies. I have no idea how much sunlight I've got. I think sunset is going to be around maybe 6:15. Should give me the best part of an hour, but we'll have to see. So yeah, anybody watching these videos know when the next race license assessment might be here in Ireland? Really do need to pull the finger out with that. I still need to do my medical as well. Haha, no ferns. Not yet, anyway. They'll be expected soon. What the hell? Neutral. Anybody remember this trail? Tell you, you've been watching a long time if you do, or your own. Oh, and you still watching these videos? If you are, I miss you. Come on out for a spin. Ditch the family. Actually, I read a thing online from a racer, actually, and he was saying that all of a sudden he started experiencing really bad arm pump, and it took him a few months to narrow it down, but he finally realized the only change he had made was taking creatine, and he stopped taking it, and suddenly his arm pump basically disappeared. Now, I take creatine. I do a lot in the gym. It's a good supplement. So I came off it, and I've been off it, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks now. Still getting that same pain in the hand. So perhaps it's not the creatine, and I just need to harden the up. I'm gonna have to do some exploring. What a spot. There you go. He's not moving from there. What a spot. I need to come here more often. Be rude not to. Once upon a time, you had to cycle up this. It's part of a race. I haven't been up this probably in about, oh god, 6-7 years. There's a fallen tree down here. As somebody cleared it. Ah, what a trail. This brings back the memories. Like I say, I've never done it on a motorbike before. But yeah, people must be riding it. it is. Used to bunny hop over that, well, no, I didn't bunny hop over it. There actually used to be a jump over it. A man-made one as part of the race. So, this is another age-old mountain bike track, and I'm kind of just scoping it out now because I'm kind of interested in perhaps riding it this weekend on the mountain bike. So I'm not going to do anything to sort of tear it up, just going to kind of roll down it. But I remember actually I used to tear down here on the mountain bike. There's one time I actually hit a deer. Little baby deer chasing after its mother. It was fine. Bruised and scared, I'd say. It was me, I was more beaten up than it. Memories. Yeah, now YouTube. Try this. I know what's down there. Nothing but a fire rod. Let's see what this is. Oh! Didn't see that route. I was preparing to do a bit of a bunny hop, and that little sneaky route got me. I'm gonna have to look at that on camera. Was that poor skill and I didn't do a little popper quick enough? Or is it like I suspected and something I didn't see caught me? What a class piece of trail. After a stressful week, shite weekend, going around like RoboCop, there is no better way to blow off some steam. Class. Little pumpkin, I love you. Beast. Low revs, moderated with the clutch, slow and steady. I mean, you could probably tear up here, wreck the place. I'm not looking to wreck the place. It's for the mountain bikers as well, and I'm one of them. That's there. That's an A-track, I won't ride up that. somebody spent a good bit of time on that. I'm gonna go this way. So, if memory serves, I can go down this and hang a left, and it brings me, I don't know actually, I can't really remember. It brings me around the other side of the mountain anyway, and I think that's where I want to be. I can't remember where to go. I don't think I've missed a left yet, but I also don't want to come back down this. This is the first kind of trail I came up. I think I am coming back down whether I like it or not. Oh well, it's fun. Hi lads, where did I go wrong there? Can I get this under here? We can. Just need to... Well, that's the weirdest way I've ever gotten under a tree. Better not be blocked in other places. But anyway, I think this is actually the trail I wanted to be on. This looks familiar. Yes, this is where I wanted to go. One more trail in. Before the sun is gone. So I'm actually going back the way I came at this point. As you can see, the sun is going down. I think. Oh. Anyway, I think the clocks go forward this weekend, Easter weekend. So, yeah. Evenings will increase. Whoa, nothing but branches underneath here. Okay. Sake, literally just rode this bike through a bit of a river, cleaner, make my life easier when I go home. Now look what I'm up to. Anyway, this is what it's all about. Just text the missus to see if she wants to go to the pub. So Time is of the essence. Haha! I was meant to go left and I missed it, but I don't think it matters. Or does it? Shy, maybe it does. No. Stick to your new path. It shall not send you. Yes. This is what I needed. Right, I'm out of here. Time to go home. There's not really much more. So, usual spiel. Like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I put them out regularly. Sometimes weekly. Sometimes I miss a week. Sometimes, if I'm really lucky, I get out more than once a week. And therefore I can double up the videos. But anyway, ride safe. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.